Hey there, motorcycles enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something special for you. The 2024 Dust Moto Model 1 is a slightly downsized dirt bike designed for noise-sensitive areas. So, buckle up and let's dive into the details. The Dust Moto Model 1 isn't just a vehicle, it's a revolution in off-roading technology. With its cutting-edge design and performance features, it's poised to dominate any terrain it encounters. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Model 1 captivates with its rugged yet futuristic exterior. Its aerodynamic lines and aggressive stance scream power and capability. First up, let's talk power. The Dust Moto Model 1 is fed by a swappable 3.5 kilowatt-hour battery. The 26 kilowatt motor puts out 369 ft-lbs of peak torque. Top speed is a claimed 60 plus mph. To slow the 2024 Dust Moto Model 1 down, there's a 260mm front disc brake and a 220mm rear. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit designed for the ultimate off-road experience. With ergonomic seating, intuitive controls, and state-of-the-art technology, the Dust Moto Model 1 ensures you're always in command. For suspension, the Dust Model 1 has a WP 43mm fork mated to KTM Freeride EXC triple clamps. In the rear, it's got an Ohlins shock sized for a Yamaha YZ 85. The bike boasts an advanced suspension system that eats up rough terrain like it's nothing. All of this is bolted to a custom steel frame with an aluminum subframe and swing arm, and the bike is covered in custom machined ABS plastics. The Model 1 have full-size Takasago Excel 60 rims shod with Dunlop Geomax MX34 tires. The buyers can choose between an 18 or 19-inch rear wheel to go with the 21-inch front. These wheels are designed to take on the toughest challenges, providing you with confidence on and off the road. The wheelbase and seat height are expected to be 95% of what you see on a full-size ice-powered dirt bike, and the wheel travel will be 10.2 inches in the front and 10.8 inches in the rear. And here's the kicker, all this power and performance in a lightweight package. The Dust Moto Model 1 weighs in at just 91 kilograms, making it nimble, agile, and easy to handle. Whether you're navigating tight trails or cruising through the city, this bike is designed for maximum maneuverability. In conclusion, the 2024 Dust Moto Model 1, a true powerhouse on two wheels. If you're a thrill seeker looking for a combination of speed, torque, and eco-friendliness, this is the bike for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. Until next time, ride safe and stay adventurous.